What's your good name, madam?
I'm Mrs. Ushakalapa.
Ah.
Yeah.
So you are CKD patient, I suppose, is it?
Yes.
And after taking this miracle drinks products,
Yeah.
so that is cardiovascular and renal care and liver care and all.
Yes.
So what actually the benefits you have got? So you tell me.
To be very frank, I was going for 3 dialysis.
Ah.
Now I have cut down to 2
Ah.
weekly.
Ah.
That's Wednesday. Every Wednesday I'm skipping.
Hmm.
Though I have got inside little water extra, there is no breathing problem and no other side effects I'm seeing.
You are not able to walk those times.
I was not able to walk previously. Now I'm able to walk also.
Wonderful.
Since 1 year she is in dialysis.
Since 1 year I was in dialysis.
Okay.
Now I started taking
Miracle
SM
drinks.
Raju's miracle drink. Miracle drink.
IAS officer.
He's an IAS officer. Such a wonderful person. I was so glad I have come to this particular place. And I would like every other person also who has got kidney problem, please do come here.
Okay, and also I am really proud to hear from your husband that you are, in spite of having all this problem, you are taking care of the press also. You work in the press.
After dialysis, she used to go to
Yeah,
shop
straight
and go to
away.
business
Ah.
till 8:30.
Ah.
She will be there in our printing press.
Great. See, that means these things should know by all such problematic persons,
Yes.
so that they should not feel that
They should have a
confident that they can work as usual like normal person,
normal human person.
human person.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much, madam. Thank you.